So now that we've cracked the eggs, we've boiled them, we've cracked them, and peeled them, everything. It is time to get into the good stuff. It is time to get into the good stuff. So let me tell you everything that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be moving all of this stuff aside really quick. So what I'm going to be putting in here is a spicy deviled eggs. Okay. So I'm going to be using Frank's Red Hot. Told you it's spicy. Slap Your Mama seasoning. Oh, it's going to be good, y'all. I'm going to top it with Old Bay. Some people use paprika, but I'm using Old Bay. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. I just found it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my boo-boos from the South. Oh, this is so good. I'm going to put some accent in there. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Mustard. Pepper. I'm going to find some room for this stuff. And I got my relish. And I put just a little bit of onions and jalapenos, y'all. And of course, I got my eggs. So, I'm going to start by cutting them. I have my, it's kind of wet. Hold on, y'all. Washed it out. It's a little wet. And little egg crevices. Okay. And then I'm not going to make this many deviled eggs, but I have this. Okay. So, first thing we're going to do is slice our eggs. I'm just going to slice them all first. And I'll probably speed this up because you guys know how to slice eggs, okay? And you're going to slice them the long way. So now that our eggs are all sliced, we want to take a spoon. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I do have a little bit of salt over here. Just in there, just a little. So, I got my bowl here. We're going to take the yolk out. Yep, take the yolk out. And I'm going to speed up the video until I get all the yolk out the eggs. Okay, you guys? You guys know how to do this. Especially if you make deviled eggs. If you found this channel, you already make deviled eggs, I'm sure. And, oh, we got a little, I don't like this. Oops, that fell, okay. Because I know when I was looking for deviled eggs, I knew how to make them. But I just want some other ideas. Let's see what people, I had southern spicy deviled eggs I saw on YouTube. All kinds of stuff. Some people put ranch dressing, sour cream, all kinds of things. So, you guys, I have all of my eggs out of the yolk. And so what you want to do is smash them really fine. And I'm going to speed this up and show you how it looks when we come back, okay? So you guys, you want to make sure it's smashed really well. So you see how that is? So it's smashed really well. And so then you want to start adding your ingredients. Now the first thing that I add is my seasonings. So I'm just going to use my accent. You guys, I already showed you this. I'm going to use my Slap Your Mama. To your liking, y'all. Whatever seasonings you guys like. I like mine kind of spicy. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Just a little bit. I don't have many eggs. Pepper. And the hot sauce and the salt, I will add at the end because you don't want to just put salt in it and you don't know. Now I'm going to add my mayonnaise, my dukes. And I don't measure. I know some people do. Oh, it's so creamy. Oh my God. Listen to that. Oh, it's so creamy. You start off, because don't forget you still have to add your relish. Stir that in. Real good, y'all. Whoop, whoop. Oh no, I'm spilling eggs. No, you cannot drop the eggs. It's kind of thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some of my relish. Loosen it up. And I'll show you guys when I'm done. Because, you know, it depends on how you like your consistency. I don't like mine too runny. I like mine to sit on top of the egg yolk. So I don't like it too runny. And I just add a tiny bit of mustard for color. Although I love mustard, sometimes I'll put more mustard than I think a lot of people do. I was getting a little smoother. I'll show you guys in a sec. So now it's kind of whipped. You see that, you guys? I'm going to add a little more mayo. Just a little bit. Oh, this juice. I think that's it for the mayo. And just stir. If you have a little whipper thing, I'm just using my. So now I'm going to take my jalapeno and onion. It's not that much, so it's not going to be heavy with it. And put that in there. I'm telling y'all, it's really good. I don't make it with jalapeno and onion all the time. I added more relish. Give it a little taste. I'm going to put some salt in there, you guys. Just a little. I don't want it too salty. A little bit more pepper. And a little bit more. You don't want it too salty, but you don't want it spicy. I think that's good consistency. I think so, y'all. Let me show you. I'm sorry my bowl is like this, but see? That's pretty good. So, now you know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do. Time to fill up your eggs. That. Yes, baby. I like it to stick up like that. Sometimes I put too much. But you should have enough. I mean, after everything, all the ingredients that you put in there. Some people use the, what do you call it? The little squeezer. Like you use like a plastic bag. Or the, what do you call that thing you squeeze things out like for desserts? I don't know. I can't remember, you guys. Oh, yeah. This is it. And if I have some left over, I just put more. That's all you have to do. That's good, y'all. That is so, oh, got a little kick to it. I have 2 more after this one. I like to go with this part of the egg. So you can just slide it on there. Two more. Come on, we gotta make 2 more. I think I overloaded some. I'm running low. But I'm gonna for 1 more. Seems like you should have more because you add mayonnaise, relish. And it depends on, some people like theirs a little more thinner than others. Some like theirs like a little more fluffier. You want to try to get every drop to make that last one. Woo-hoo! I got it, y'all. It's more than I thought. And then, what I do is I top it with some Old Bay. I got this off YouTube. They call it Louisiana Southern style instead of paprika. Because I don't really care too much for paprika, but I love Old Bay. And what I'm going to do is take some more Slap Your Mama. I love this stuff, y'all. And just a teeny. Slap your mama, slap your mama, slap your mama, slap your mama, slap your mama. Why they call it slap your mama? Because you know, if you slap your mama, you're going to get your, it's going to be spicy if you slap your mama. So, here's the finished result. That's my deviled eggs, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.